Hey Keith, I want to tell you thank you for the Andy-tube video. Basically, it was the main shaft bar in there. There was play in it. He had never encountered it, and I thought that was kind of funny. And I watched the whole video, and then I said, well, did he find out a fix? So I went through the comments, and sure enough, he put the fix on there. What he did was, he went down to here, right in here. See that? It's like a, I guess you call it a bushing. This thing right here, right there. And he turned it around. It has 2 screws in it. There's one, and there is 2. Now, I've already fixed my machine by his instructions. What he did was he loosened this screw and then loosened the second screw on the other side. Loosen those. Now before, there was a big gap between here and this piece on the main shaft. So he could get his fingers in his sewing machine. I can't because I have this stitch regulator in the way. So I had to use 2 screwdrivers. So on the end, you can see where the bar, hopefully you can. Let's see. See where the bar comes into the circle there, the center? So what I had to do was take 1 screwdriver, push in on the end like this. I'm just going to kind of sit it there to give you a visual. I pushed in with 1 hand on that side. Then I took another screwdriver with these 2 screws loose and pushed in on this at the same time. So I was pushing on the outside and on the inside to snug up that gap. After I did that, you go back and you tighten this screw, you tighten the second screw, and then you hand turn it, see if there's any spots where it's snagging, and it's not. And then what he suggested to do, which I am going to do one more time, to loosen those 2 screws a little bit, one more time, actually 2 more times, and tighten them back up, roll the wheel. You're checking for any tightness or snagging of it. Excuse me. And then after you do it the 3rd time, it should be good to go. So I just did that, except for the last turn, but it's a lot better than it was. I don't have that clunking noise anymore. Look how smooth that is now. I stumbled on Andy-tube by accident, and I should have thought about it myself to look him up, but Keith, I just want to tell you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You guys that reach out to me always help me find the answer to my issues on these machines that I'm working on, and I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. You have a great day. Bye.